Well, hello, this is Joe from SMS Novel. Thank you so much for checking out our website. I just want to share this unique opportunity that our company is offering and just a cool way to connect with other creatives to create inspirational and uplifting content. So with our group film crowd-funded project, you're able to come on to a film production with a group of 10 actors to actually create a faith-based script and a film over about 10 days. This is just really a cool thing to do. Not only are you meeting with other actors, not only are you taking part in a film creating process, but you're making something that is inspirational and uplifting. Again, we come together, collaborate first and foremost online, then we set a timetable and a schedule in which we shoot the film on location. Then we bring that editing and work together and distribute the film on Amazon Prime, giving out 5% royalty to each actor that participates. We're able to crowdfund these projects by our actors actually committing to support the work at a certain set price. This is just a unique tool, and I think it's going to be a great way for those who want to share the message of good news in a unique, creative way. So again, if you are interested, we would love to have you sign up. We get started usually in about 10 days.